Hi, my name is Zahra Khan. I am currently a trainee solicitor at Brown Jacobson. So I studied law at Birkbeck from 2015 to 2018, and I graduated with a first class honours law degree. Started studying at Birkbeck from the moment I finished my A level, so I didn't take a gap in between. And I thoroughly enjoyed my time at this university because it was very different to your standard university. The evening study in particular is what made me apply towards this university. I was able to utilize the hours during the day by just planning my days accordingly, ensuring that I get different experiences, be that joining different societies at Birkbeck during the day, becoming involved with them, and then studying in the afternoon. The university has careers options available to you, and you can contact any of these people that are available and give you advice. I reached out to the university and I told them what I'm interested in, and I needed experience. I came out of sixth form with no experience whatsoever, so I really needed help to gain some. They managed to get me some volunteering experience with the court. So essentially what I did was probably once to two times a week. It's the charity organization is completely flexible to your timing. There is plenty of time during the day where you can become involved in different activities, get involved with your hobbies, be that, like I said, volunteering or taking up different placements, and then socializing before you even get into the study aspect of it in the afternoon. Essentially, how when I reached out towards staff, they gave me this opportunity and I went and I took it. Once I graduated from university, I decided to take some time off before I do go into postgraduate study, and I decided to work as a paralegal for a bit. And I think one of the main reasons why I was even given that job was because of this 1 year long length of experience that I had because of Birkbeck. I think one of the things that definitely appealed to them was the fact that time management, the fact that I managed to get work experience as well as study in the evening. That was a really positive point for them to know that I'm able to manage my time really, really well. So I think it's really important to have almost a mentor, and don't be afraid to reach out towards people at Birkbeck because they're always there to help you.